Buckle up, because I'm about to show you 45 After Effects shortcuts I use every single day to save a massive amount of time. I'll be showing shortcuts on Mac, so if you're on Windows, Command equals Control and Option equals Alt. And if for any reason a shortcut doesn't work for you, go to Edit, Keyboard Shortcuts, find the action and set it to whatever works best. In fact, I strongly encourage you to customize your shortcuts for frequently used actions. For example, I've mapped Easy Ease or F9 hotkey to a thumb button of my Logitech MX Master and pre-composed to the middle scroll button. It's something that I use constantly, so it saves me tons of time. Even better, you can assign shortcuts to scripts and plugins like Ease Copy, FX Console, or any others, making your workflow even faster. Enough blabbering, let's jump in. Layer management. These are essential shortcuts to duplicate, trim, split, and organize layers in the most efficient way. Duplicate layer. Why is this better than copy-paste? Because you can instantly make an exact copy of your selected layer while preserving its parent and mate properties. Paste in place, paste a layer exactly where your playhead is. Split layer at playhead. Cuts your layer into two separate layers at the current playhead position. With Option plus square brackets, you can instantly trim the layer before or after the playhead. By hitting Command plus up or down arrows, you can quickly navigate between layers without touching the mouse. And by hitting Command plus square brackets, you can easily reorder layers in your composition. Send layer to top or bottom, basically move a layer to the very top or bottom of the stack. Square brackets instantly snap your layer at the current playhead location. Select all layers. I don't think I need to explain this one. Recompose selected layers. Quickly group selected layers into a single composition. Timeline navigation. Master these shortcuts and you can easily throw your mouse away. Move one frame. Step forward or backward one frame at a time. Jump 10 frames. Quickly skip forward or backwards by 10 frames. By pressing I or O, you jump to layers in or out point. Jump to work area start or end. Instantly jump to the start or end of your work area. Jump between keyframes, snap your playhead to the previous or next keyframe. Set work area in or out, define the start and end of your work area. Or automatically adjust the work area to fit selected layers by pressing Command, Option and B. Then simply crop your entire composition with trim to work area. And please do this. For the sake of the whole motion design community, please trim your comps. Then with Command and K, quickly adjust start time, resolution, duration, FPS, and other composition settings. By the way, I've linked all these shortcuts in the description, so be sure to check them out. Transform and Keyframes. These simple hotkeys allow you to easily access and animate key properties of your layers. Show transformation properties. Quickly open position P, rotation R, scale S, anchor point A, and opacity T with a single key. Then with Shift plus any mentioned letter, show additional properties. With U, you reveal all properties with keyframes. Hit the U twice and it shows only properties that have been adjusted. Add keyframe to a property, instantly set a keyframe for position, scale, rotation, opacity, or anchor point. Okay, maybe not the anchor point, I mean, who does that? Easy Ease, probably the most used hotkey. Select your keyframes and create smooth animations in one click. Toggle Graph Editor, switch between Timeline View and the Graph Editor. Convert keyframe type, change between linear, hold, and ease keyframes. Just hold Command and click on the keyframe you want to change. Effects, expressions, and linking. Control effects, manage expressions, and link layers faster than ever. E displays all effects applied to a layer. Apply last used effect applies the most recently used effect. Remove all effects strips all effects from a selected layer. And by clicking it twice, you open all properties that have expressions on them. And this one deletes expressions from selected properties. Okay, this one is pretty cool. While you're parenting one layer to another with a pick whip, hold Shift and it's going to inherit all of the properties from a parent layer. Position, scale, rotation. Copy with property links. It duplicates a layer and links all of the properties to the original layer with expressions. Pretty mad, huh? By pressing Shift and minus or Shift and plus, you can quickly scroll through different blending modes. Replacing and scaling layers. Quickly replace assets or adjust their size to fit your comp. Replace media file, swap out a media layer from the timeline with media file from the project panel. Either select both and press Command, Option and forward dash, or drag and drop the one from the project panel while holding Option key. Scale to fit composition, resize a layer to fill the entire composition. Then we have scale to fit width and scale to fit height to resize layer width or height while keeping the aspect ratio. Press Command and Home to instantly align a layer to the center of the composition. Hold Command and double-click on Anchor Point tool to move the anchor point to the center of the layer, or simply press Command, Option and Home. Press Shift and forward dash to fit your composition nicely within the viewport. Creating new layers. These last few shortcuts will let you quickly create the essential layers without navigating menus. Command and Y creates a new layer in your composition. Command Option and Y adds an adjustment layer. Command Option Shift and Y creates a null object. And Command Shift and T instantly adds a text layer to your composition. That wasn't so bad. Hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe to the Plainly YouTube channel for more After Effects and video automation tips and tricks. See you in the next one.